Broke a few parts. Welcome back, guys, to the channel. So we got a new car by Hosim. This is the X25. We're gonna go ahead, just do a quick review, and then we're gonna go ahead and bash it and see if this thing's worth your money or not. So it is four-wheel drive, brushless motor, runs on 3S, so it comes with the battery and charger. So it comes with the light bar in front. It does say it's 1/8 scale, which honestly I was expecting a little bit bigger. It's about the same size as the Arma Vortex. It does say oil-filled shocks, but I've noticed it's a little bit bouncy, so I might have to go with thicker oil. But I do like that they included these little clips so you don't lose them. Another thing I noticed, the battery tray is a little short, so if you're going to try to run a different battery, you might have an issue of fitting inside here. So you have a fan on the speed control, fan on the motor. Here's your servo. This is actually my first Hosim car, but from watching other people's videos, these cars are built pretty tough, so I'm actually excited to see how it's going to handle some of the jumps. So the chassis is not plastic, and then you do have Phillips screws instead of hexes. So this car runs about 250 bucks. I've seen anywhere from like 240 to 280, but 250 is usually what you could get this car for. I don't have my GPS on me, but I've seen JTRC run this thing 42 miles an hour on stock battery, and then he also ran this thing on 4S. So whew. Definitely has power, but it looks like all the power kind of goes to the front wheels. All right, let's take it on some sweet jumps. This thing is pretty quick though. Dang, actually flies pretty good. Oh, almost hit myself. Yeah, it actually handles pretty good. Honestly, with some with a little bit tuning, this thing is not bad actually. See if we can hit this jump. I mean, the throttle is pretty smooth on this thing. Let's see how really this thing is durable. Ooh. Ooh. I mean, that was a pretty big slab. That's good. See if we can do a backflip. Oh yeah. Oh. Then we just broke front bumper. Broke a few parts. Still runs. Oh yeah, I can hear the gears. All right, just a quick look at the damage that we just did. Looks like the bumper came off. Here's the parts. Body got a crack in it. We did break a fan. And also, all the way over there, so right there where that diff sits, the box broke. So, I mean, it's not too bad. I looked at the manual with the part numbers. The bumper's about like $9. The diff cover is about $8. Fan, that's also, you could just replace it. It's not too expensive. I'm not gonna replace the body since we're probably gonna be bashing it again. But overall, about 18 bucks in damage, which is not too bad. Surprised this thing still held up pretty good. If you guys want it, I'll have a link down below. Check it out, and I'll see you guys next time.